Hey guys, my name is Hari, Director of Product Marketing at Augury. I'm going to talk to you today about some of the product updates we've released and how it's going to help your teams work smarter and faster. Let's dive in. So we know that tracking machine reliability improvements is key, especially if you're new to the program or if you're still scaling up. That's why we've added 3 new metrics to your reports tab. The first is machine improvements. This metric tracks the number of machines that were repaired and moved from alarm or danger to monitor or acceptable. It's a fast, tactical way to measure progress. The second is mean time to repair. This metric helps you understand how long it takes to respond to an alert and to complete a repair on the machine. It's a great leading indicator to optimize your team's efficiency and how quickly they respond to alerts. A third is the mean time to acceptable. It's kind of like a combination of mean time to repair and the number of machine improvements. And it shows you on a programmatic level, what is the average time it takes for a machine that was in an unhealthy state to move to a healthy state. Together, these metrics give you super early proof of program success, help you show tangible reliability improvements before long-term trends like downtime savings kick in. So that's all we have for you for platform this month. Or you might ask, have we done anything in mobile? I got you, and let's jump in. The Augury app, available in Google Play and the Apple App Store, is a game changer for plant flow teams. Now, we've made it even better. We have a new IoT node management feature that helps you replace a node without having to create it from scratch in the app. All you have to do now is scan a QR code or enter a serial number manually to map the new device instantly. It lets you manage node connectivity and network settings directly from the app, making it a lot easier to troubleshoot and to resolve issues faster. The result? Less downtime, faster fixes, and better connected machines, all from a mobile device. And that's it for this release. I'm excited to see how these updates are going to help you with your program. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to your Augury rep. Thanks for watching and see you next time.